Good morning, children. So you all remember your alphabets, your capital letters? Yes, you all remember? Okay, so then I'm going to give you, you fill in the missing letters. Okay, so you'll have to fill the missing letters. So we'll write in our 4-line notebook how to fill the missing letters. Okay, so we write A. What comes after A? You have to fill this gap. Okay, what comes after A? You have to write. What after C? What comes after C? What comes after E? What comes after G? What comes after I? What comes after K? What comes after M? What comes after O? What comes after Q? What comes after S? What comes after U? What comes after W? What comes after Y? So, what are we going to do now? We are going to fill in the missing letters. Are there letters here? No, right? So, you have to fill the missing letters. So, we have to say, okay, what comes after A? After A comes B. Okay. What comes after B, children? C. What letter comes after C? D. What letter comes after C? D. What comes after D? E. What letter is this? E. And what letter comes after E? What letter comes after E? F. What letter comes after E? F. What comes after F? G. What letter is this, children? G. And what comes after G? H. What comes after G? H. What letter comes after H? I. What letter is this? I. What comes after I? J. What letter comes after I? J. What letter comes after J? What letter is this? K. What comes after K? L. What comes after K? L. What comes after L? What letter is this? M. What is the letter that comes after M? What letter comes here? So if you get stuck here and you don't know this letter, say your alphabets from A. So say A, B, C, H I J K L M and what comes here? N. So we found the letter that we have to write here. So the letter after M is N. What comes after N? O. What letter comes after N? O. What's the letter that comes after O? P. What letter comes after O? P. Okay, so what comes after P? Q. What comes after P? Q. What letter do we have to write after Q? What letter do we have to write? R. What comes after R? S. What letter comes after R? S. Which letter do we write after S? After S comes T. What comes after S? T. What letter comes after T? U. What letter is this? U. What letter comes after U? What letter comes after U, children? V. What letter comes after U? V. The letter after V is W. What letter comes after V? W. Now which is the missing letter here? After W comes X. What comes after W? X. The letter after X is Y. What letter comes after X? Y. And what letter has to come here? Z. What letter has to come here? Z. So you'll have to write this in your 4-line notebook, okay? So once you write this, I will send you match the following letters. Okay, so you'll have to write this in your notebook or bring your notebooks to me. I will write it for you and send it. Okay, children? So can you all repeat once more? Okay, say your alphabets once. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? So children, you all have to write this in your notebook. Okay? Thank you.